Okay, so I had these Ohuhu Ratchet tie-down straps, and I just opened the box for the first time, and this is a 4-pack, 15 feet of up to 500 pounds. So a little bit of the directions. Now these have a 1500 break limit, so they are strong. Very nice, very easy to use. Rubber coated S hooks. Right here they are. Oh, those are very nice. Very smooth. Okay. Oh, that feels thick and durable. It's a pretty blue color too. Very nice. You have your warranty card. Who always sends the warranty card, and it's good for 12 months. Right there. Very nice. Okay, so again, this is a 4-pack, 15 feet to 500 pounds, and it has a 1500 break limit. String. As you can see, this was my first time unboxing, even though I did open the lid. So, here you go. Very nice. Shiny.